What'd you get in the mail today?
Things.
What are those?
Sheets.
Those are sheets. So they're curtains that are gonna go on your window. What else is in there?
This race car.
What'd you find?
Race car.
A race car. Who is that?
The race car.
What's the name of that race car? You got Lightning McQueen?
I'm doing with the mommies.
Okay, go see what else is in there.
This car.
What'd you find?
It's a new car.
Yes, look, that's a neat car. What do you say?
New car, Papa.
What do you say to Papa?
New car.
What do you tell him?
New car, blue, red.
What do you say? Can you say thank you? What?
Thank you.
Thank you for what? The new cars. All right.
Race car.